changes in daily life have been even greater. Everything has become more convenient and more intelligent.
After all, lucid waters and lush mountains are invaluable assets. Witness 5 years of great change. Welcome to Hebei in their eyes. Hi everyone, this is Mengxin. So today we're going to talk about a term, the new quality productive forces. And today we've invited Dr. Dovlet Dawei to join us. So hi Dawei.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for your invitation. My name is Dovlet Rahimov. I'm from Turkmenistan and I'm working at Hebei Foreign Studies University. I teach language, literature, and I'm really passionate about fitness.
So happy to have you here, Dawei. And for many of you, Dawei might be a new face, but you know, for me, we are old friends. Because last year we're doing a show together in Huanghua, right?
Yes, it was 1 year ago.
Have you ever noticed like my shoulder muscle is something different?
Yeah, I can see the great changes. You gained the muscle mass.
I want to talk about this topic. Okay. Did you notice that in Shijiazhuang, recently they have like more 24 hours unmanned gym?
Yeah, I noticed that. 3 months ago, I was going to one gym club in Shijiazhuang. Before it was usually like from 8 to 10, but then they changed it. Now it's a 24 hours unmanned gym club. You can go there wherever you want, whenever you want. And just scan the QR code, enter the gym, do your workouts, and without any problems. I think it's very convenient.
Yes, so back to the topic we're going to talk about today, the new quality productive forces. I think what you just mentioned is like a really good demonstration for the term, right?
Yeah. Now, Gym Club is equipped with new machines, smart machines. So let's take a treadmill. Treadmills, they can measure your blood pressure, the heart rate, your speed. If your heart rate is over than certain numbers, let's say 150, 160, they will give you a notification in order to avoid the injuries. The same things with the smart strength training machines. Nowadays the machines can calculate your sets, your body weight, your reps, the intervals between the sets, and they can give you the recommendation and send the information to the cloud coaches, and you can significantly improve the quality of your workouts.
That's right.
This is the new quality productive forces is all about, related to the gyms.
Yes. So that way, what do you think of the core of the term?
I think the core of the new quality productive forces is technological innovation.
Well, indeed. You know, new quality productive forces are becoming increasingly powerful across various aspects. In recent years, they have been quietly changing our lives and works. Could you summarize the changes you've been observed in few words?
I think those words would be intelligent, convenient, and green.
That's three wonderful words. Could you explain it like more specifically?
Yeah, sure. When I first came here a few years ago, my impression of Hebei was probably similar to that of many foreigners. A province surrounding Beijing, known for its steel industry and traditional manufacturing. But the changes over the past few years have been tremendous. Take my work, for example. Before, we had to carry the textbooks. If we want to show our students, let's say, videos or some audios, we had to carry the, let's say, the projectors and something like this. But nowadays, the only thing we need is a USB flash card, because all the classrooms are equipped with the smart boards, and it's really convenient. Students can use computers and tablets to do and submit their homework, and teachers can guide them online.
That's true, and I truly believe that students nowadays are really fortunate as they have the access to advantageous high-tech content from an early age.
Yeah, that's true. In our teaching today, words like robot, solar energy, and space station come up all the time. Many of our students went to Baoding during summer camp to visit the Great Wall Motor Factory where they saw modern intelligent assembly lines and wide variety of new electric vehicles. It was incredibly modern. Some students have also been to Xiong'an to visit the city computing center there, and they were fascinated by its powerful supercomputing capabilities. In this way, the seeds of innovation are quietly being planted in the heart of the new generation. Isn't this all part of the new quality productive forces?
Okay, Dawei, so what you shared, these are your experiences in your work. So what about in your life?
The changes in daily life have been even greater. Everything has become more convenient and more intelligent. No matter where I go, all I need is my mobile phone to handle whether it's taking transportation, shopping, or traveling. I know that behind all this is the strong support of powerful technological forces, and of course, another thing I strongly feel is that the living environment has improved significantly. The sky is bluer. From the news, I have learned that Hebei has been vigorously eliminating outdated production capacity and developing green energy.
That's true. So the air in Hebei has been getting better and better in recent years.
I can see that.
This is largely down to the intelligence and green transformation of traditional industries. Like, for example, our steel industry. Hebei is a major steel province and has put a lot of effort into this aspect. For instance, the HBS Group's Zhangxuan technology built the world's first 1.2 million ton hydrogen metallurgy demonstration project and put into operation the world's first hydrogen metallurgy green automotive sheet continuous casting production line. The pumped storage power station in Fengying, Chengde, has realized the conversion of clean energy, reducing carbon dioxide emissions by 1.2 million tons annually. Well, additionally, a large number of photovoltaic and wind power facilities have been built across Hebei. And there are more and more new energy vehicles running on the road every day that you can notice that.
Yeah.
And all these are the results of our efforts. After all, lucid waters and lush mountains are invaluable assets.
Well, isn't this exactly what new quality productive forces are all about? Producing smarter, cleaner, and more efficient ways ultimately benefits all of us, allowing us to breathe cleaner air. It makes me, as a foreigner living here, feel truly at ease.
Exactly.
Especially with the advancement of like smartphones and e-wallets, just scanning really quickly all the QR codes is so convenient. Such as now foreigners can just quickly scan their passport instead of having to go in a long line.
I can use just my phone and the car will come after 2-5 minutes. It's really good. Medical technology is constantly developing and evolving. So right now we're using artificial intelligence, AI, for early diagnosis or drug discovery. We're using robotics in surgeries for precision. We're using 3D printing for prosthetics.
During the past 5 years, Hebei province R&D investment reached 96.8 billion yuan. The number of key laboratories increased to 408. And key labs like the Yanzhou Steel Laboratory and the Yanzhou Green Chemical Industry have driven the vigorous development of related industries. Actually, whether it's the upgrading of traditional industries or the cultivation of emerging industries, they all show us the vibrant vitality of new quality productive forces in Hebei. In the next 5 years, Hebei's development of new quality productive forces will be more targeted, innovation-driven, and ecologically coordinated. From green steel plants to intelligent robots, from data computing power to emerging sectors, Hebei is writing a brilliant report on how new quality productive forces lead the future through vivid practices of high-quality development.